Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss like how we create the Selenium test in using the TestNG. Okay, so in the previous session video, I have discussed like how we create the Selenium test by using the main method. But here now today I am going to write the test cases by using TestNG. So if you don't know what is the TestNG, what is the annotations of the TestNG, so I have a separate channels where I have discussed a lot of questions, lot of topics over the TestNG. You can go with that and learn the concept of TestNG. Okay, so now I'm going to create the TestNG test. So before that, if you are coming first time on my YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, you can subscribe as well as the click on bell icon so that when I upload the any new video you will get the notification. Okay, so now let me start. So what we need to do, we need to first add the TestNG plugin in the Maven pom.xml file. Open the browser, search TestNG Maven plugin and click on link. Okay, so this will redirect you on the Maven central repository dependency. Okay, so this will you can open the maven repository.com link, click on this, again get the latest version, copy this link, come back to our project, open the pom.xml file and add the dependency, testng dependency. Okay, yeah, after that you will get the testng will add in your uh, automatically add in the Maven dependency section. Okay, now let me create one TestNG test. I'm going to create one Java file, Selenium test ng. Okay, click on finish. Here I need to add the annotation @test where I am going to write the code. Selenium demo. Okay, so what first of line I use the WebDriver manager dot chrome dot setup. Okay, next chrome driver, create the driver object, new chrome driver. Okay, driver dot navigate dot to. Okay, so here I'm going to again open the Facebook URL, then again driver dot get title, storing this in a title variable and then printing the title. Okay, again I am going to create @ after class annotation. Here I will add the close the browser code. Here driver dot close. Okay, so this is the local variable. I am going to move this as a instance variable. Okay, okay, now let me import this class. Okay, so Selenium test is ready by using the Selenium test, by using the TestNG. I can run this test. Okay, now browser is automatically closed. So in this way, we can write the test cases. So in the coming tutorial, we will more discuss on the and write the test cases by using the TestNG. So you will much familiar how we use the TestNG, how we use the annotation after class, after method, before class, before method. All those annotations we will discuss and use in the coming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.